friends, welcome back. I have one more Earth Day project for us to do. This one is an experiment that you can do very easily at home. All that you're going to need is a jar, a bowl, another jar or a vase or some other type of thing that you can put water in that's see-through and clear, and a strainer. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go around your yard and find trash. Trash that should not be sitting in your yard. And you're going to put it in a jar that has a lid. And then you're going to fill your jar with water so it looks like this. So if you look in my jar, I found a fork, a plastic fork from takeout food maybe. I have a plastic bag, some paper, maybe a brown bag. What else do we see in there? Ooh, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a water bottle here, a candy wrapper. Over here, there's a lid from a water bottle. There's a lot of junk and garbage that was just laying on the ground in my backyard. Should any of that have been sitting in the backyard? No, it's trash. Or some of it was even paper or plastic that could have went in the recycling, but someone decided to throw it on the ground instead, and that was not okay. So we're going to talk about water pollution today. One thing that's very important for all of our bodies is water. We need to eat, we need to have sunlight, we need to have somewhere to live, a shelter over our head to keep us dry and warm, and we need water. Most of our body is made up from water, and we need to drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. Do you think you drink 8 glasses of water every day? I know sometimes for me it's hard to even drink that much water. But we need to make sure that our water is clean. We need to drink clean water to keep our bodies healthy so we don't get sick. And also, what lives in the water? Fish, right? We need to keep our fish safe. They live in the water. We don't want them living in something dirty. Do you like coming into your bedroom where there's dirty clothes all over the place or stinky old food? No, we don't want to live in someplace dirty, and neither do the fish. So it's very important for us to keep water clean for us and for animals. Do you think that you would want to live in something like this? I wouldn't want to live in something like this. That's gross. So when we pollute or dirty our water with plastic and paper and cans and garbage like that, it's not healthy for our bodies or for other animals' bodies. So what we're going to do is we're going to see if we can clean this water, if it would be clean enough for fish to live in or clean enough that you would want to drink. I'm going to take all of our pollutants, all of our garbage out of this water. And you can do it at home too. So you're going to take your jar that has water and garbage in it, and you're going to get someone to help you, and you're going to put a strainer on top of a bowl. And then you're going to pour your jar of water and garbage into your strainer. The strainer is going to catch all of the garbage. Some of my garbage is stuck, so I'm going to pull it out. It's really gross. I don't want to touch it. So I'm pouring all of my garbage, all of my water. The water bottle is stuck. Ugh. It smells gross too. Okay, so I spilled a little bit of water onto my lap. But I'm going to bring the camera over so you can see. There's all of our garbage in the strainer, and then it dumped into the bowl underneath. So I'm going to take our strainer. Made a little bit of a mess on the table, but it's okay. I'll get a towel and wipe it up. Okay, so I'm going to pour the water that's in this container into my tall container. I'm not sure if all of it's going to fit. This is where you need an adult to help you, because I already made a mess. Okay. So again, I have all of my garbage in the strainer. It caught all of the garbage, so we wouldn't be living in that. We wouldn't be drinking it. And all of our water is in here. So I want you to take a look at this water. Is this water that you would like to drink? I'm going to put this video on pause for 1 second, and I'm going to take a water bottle out of my fridge, and we're going to compare them. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So this is our water bottle. That's what the water looks like inside of our water bottle. And this is our water that we just took that was polluted. We took all the garbage out. We took all the paper, all the cardboard, all the plastic. We took it all out. So does this water look clean? Do you want to drink this water? Should I drink it? It smells gross. I wish you could smell what this water smells like. It looks gross. I would not want to put this water into my body. I wouldn't want to live in this water. I wouldn't want to smell this water. I wouldn't want to be anywhere near this water because this water is polluted. And even though we took everything out, all of the garbage, it's still not good for our bodies. It's still not healthy. So this is why we need to work really hard to make sure that we throw all of our garbage, all of our recyclables away. Because if we throw them outside on the lawn or we throw them out of the car when we're driving, when it rains, all of that garbage gets stuck in the rain and it pours down into the sewers. And then it gets dumped into the ocean. It gets dumped into the rivers. And that's where our fish live. And that's where the water that we drink is. This water is still that kind of water. We just have to do a lot to that water to make sure it's clean and healthy for us to put inside of our bodies. I hope you learned something new today. I hope you are having a wonderful Earth Day and you find lots of activities to do together to celebrate our Earth and where we live. And I will see you all tomorrow.